Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to run 2 Skype accounts on one computer. You can see we already have one account open and it is working. Now, let's make the second one. First, we need to get into the folder where Skype is installed. Open File Explorer and go to Local Disk C. Go to Program Files x86 folder and then Skype. Open Phone folder. Right-click on Skype and choose Send to Desktop. Go to your desktop and right-click on Skype-shortcut. Choose Properties. Go to Target option and add /secondary at the end of the line. Click Apply and OK. Close the window. Double-click on the app to open it. Sign in to your second account. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!